What's up, guys? So, after everything that happened with Bitconnect, I'm a little skeptical on lending platforms, but I'm going to be making a video pretty soon on what I'm going to do about lending platforms. But for now, I'm going to show you a good way to recover from this. So, Hashflare is a super trusted cloud mining website, and cloud mining is a lot more reliable, as in cloud mining is more of a sustainable business plan because they're actually mining these cryptocurrencies that you pay for. So cloud mining is basically you renting space in facilities where they have multiple mining rigs set up, and you get a cut of what the mining facility mines per day based on how much hash rate you buy. So you can buy a hash rate here, 100 terahashes, which is 100,000 gigahashes, costs $22,000. So depending on how much you lost on Bitconnect, I would suggest that you buy that amount of hash rate. So let's see, say you had $220 in Bitconnect, which is basically what I had. I had a little more, but we'll just do this for example. So then if we go over to the Bitcoin mining site, 1 terahash is 1,000 gigahashes. So we'll enter that right here. You're not using any power because it's cloud mining, so you won't be paying any power costs. Hashflare's pool fees are around 17%, and then the hardware cost is $220. And hang on, that seems off. Oh, that's why. Duh. There we go. Okay, so days to break even is 96.92, and then every day you'll be making 46 cents from the $220, and then weekly is $3.25, and then I said that completely wrong, sorry. So every day you'll be making $2.27. These were the pool fees. I was reading those for some reason. And then weekly you'll be making 15, monthly 68, and then annually is 828. So then the contract costs $220. So this is your profit. So subtract the $220 from that, you would get around $600. And then subtract another $220, and that will be covering what you lost from Bitconnect. So then you would be at $380, and then that $380 is pure profit from cloud mining. So the profit you get from investing the same amount of that you did in Bitconnect, then you'll make back what you lost, plus you'll make back what you paid for the mining contract, and you'll even receive quite a bit of profit. So I will be investing more heavily on Hashflare because I lost $280, and in fact I transferred it to my Bitconnect wallet, and my Bitconnect wallet was synced, but now it's saying that it's out of sync, and I have not yet received any of my Bitconnect tokens. I was going to hold them, but I don't have any now. So I lost $280, so I'm definitely going to be using Hashflare to try and recover from that loss. And just for fun, we'll do a cool little example. So say you have $22,000 to invest, or say you lost $22,000, sorry. Say you lost $22,000 in Bitconnect, or you have $22,000 to invest. That's 100 terahashes, which is, one second, let me fix that, which is 100,000 gigahash. So if we go over to this is just the profitability calculator for cloud mining, or for mining in general. So 100,000, and then this is going to cost 22,000. Alright, and then the days to break even is still 96.92. And then every day you'll be making $226. Every month you'll be making 1.5K. I don't even know what I just said. This Bitconnect stuff is messing with my brain apparently. So monthly you'll be making 6.8K, and then annually you would make 82K. So from a $22,000 investment, you'll be making 82K from that investment. And Hashflare contracts are 1 year. So from that contract that you pay for, you would make $82,852. And then subtract that 22,000. So that would get you your profit without the investment that you put into it. So you would be getting 60K pure profit from cloud mining. So that's how I'm recovering from this Bitconnect thing, with Bitconnect shutting down and me losing all my tokens. And even if you got your tokens and you sold them, they're worth next to nothing now. So this is how I'm recovering. And if you want to join me, I'll leave a link in the description. Just use that link, get signed up, and just, if you want, put as much as you can into it, or just put the amount you lost from Bitconnect into it. And you can also reinvest on this to get compound interest. But I just showed you without reinvestment, for example. So use that link, sign up, and leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.